In the box you will find the basket, an assortment of screws and washers and nuts, as well as a mounting bracket and 2 stays. Remove the metal plate at the rear of the basket, beneath the circular cup holder. Flip the basket over and mount the bracket to the bottom. Next, mount the stays to the basket. Identify the correct stay by an R or an L stamped on the bottom of each stay. The letter should be facing outward if correctly mounted on the basket. Loosely attach each stay using the provided bolts, washers and nuts. If mounted correctly, the 90-degree side of the stay will be at the back, closest to the fork. Slide the rack over the wheel as shown and mount the stays to the fork with the bolts and washers provided. Do not tighten the bolts just yet. Next, pivot the rack up and on top of the wheel. Loosen the brake lock on the side of the brake assembly. Next, loosen and remove the caliper bolt while holding on to the brake assembly. Carefully pull out the brake assembly and slide the bracket onto the caliper bolt as shown. Make sure the washer stays on the bolt. Carefully slide the brake assembly back onto the fork and tighten the bolt. Before completely tightening the bolt, manually squeeze the brake pads onto the rim and re-engage the brake lock. Now, engage the brake on the handlebar and tighten the caliper bolt. Tighten all the bolts on the basket as shown. Tighten the bolts securing the stays to the fork. Finally, slide in the plank and securely fasten the bolts with an Allen key. Use a 10 mm box wrench to hold the nuts in place from underneath.